your hands, dude. Show me your hands. Show me your fucking hands. Put them up. Put them up. Put your hands up. Put them the fuck up. Hey. Put them up. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground, dude. Get on the ground. Hands behind your back.
Please help me. I don't got nothing.
You got handcuffs? That's what you got. What do you mean you ain't got nothing?
I don't got nothing. No.
Stay the fuck down, dude.
Okay. I don't got nothing.
Let go of it. Let fucking go.
I don't got nothing.
Bro, shut up.
I don't got nothing, dude.
Shut
I
up.
don't got nothing. Let go.
No.
Please let me go.
No.
Please let me go.
No.
Help!
All right. Are you ready to be a good boy now?
Yeah. I don't got nothing. Dude. Nothing, dude. I don't got nothing, dude. I don't got nothing but my ID. I'm trying to go home. I don't got nothing.
I'm Timothy. I got him on the ground.
I don't got nothing.
In handcuffs now.
I don't got nothing.
Shut up.
I don't got nothing.
Bro, shut up.
Okay.
God damn, man. I don't know what you're saying, but you can stand up. Stand up. Shut up. Quit your whining. Quit your whining. Get in the car, dude. Get in the car. Get in the car on your own. Or you know what's going to happen. Get in. You can clearly let him 15. Some of them, please. Quit bagging or I'm going to hog tie you. You understand? You want to get hog tied?
No.
Then shut up.
Okay,
Nope. I'm going to hog tie you. Shut up. No.
Please come here.
No.
Please, man. Please come here.
Nah.
Please come here.
Nah, I'm good.
Please, man. Please.
Wait, what do you want?
Please send a pound of beer.
Oh, no, the answer's still no.
Please, man, can I call my girl?
Hold on, let me think about it.
Please, man. Please, man, can I call my girl?
Nah, we're good. Oh, really?
Yes, please, can I call my girl?
No, we're good.
Please, man, can I call my girl?
Nah.
I'm not drunk, I'm not nothing, man. I'm just coming from another girl house, man. Please,
Don't care.
Please, man, can I
Do
call my
not
girl?
care.
Please, can I call my girl? Please, can I call my girl?
Keep asking him. Maybe the answer will be yes eventually, but...
Please, man, can I call my girl? I'm not drunk, man. I'm just coming from another girl house,
Nah,
man.
we're good.
Please, man, can I call my girl?
Nah.
I'm not drunk, I'm
I
not
don't
on
care.
no drugs or nothing, man.
I don't believe
Please, can I
that for a
call my
minute.
girl? Please, man, can I call my girl?
Nah, we're good.
Please, man.
Nope.
Please, man, can I call my girl?
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba.
Please, man, can I call my girl, man?
Hey, do you want to call your girl?
Yeah, please.
Oh, no, we're good.
Please, man, let me call my girl, man. Please, man, let me call my girl. 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 Please, man, let me call my girl.
20 is going to be called 5766 5766. Mississippi. Why are you saying like that? You should do him a favor by not letting him call his girl. Letting her see him with that. Run to the game off that 28. Okay, I just found an ID card on the ground. Jones, comma Brennan, BERLN, date of birth CV, 1979, 12 12.
Hey, man.
Nah, dude, you just keep screaming the way you're screaming. That'll really solve stuff. No. I don't care. I don't really care what you have to say.
No one's nothing, man.
Don't really care about what you have to say.
Please, man, just let me call my girl.
No, we're good.
She gotta go see me.
Don't care.
Please.
Still don't care.
Please, I don't got no warrants or nothing.
Still do not care.
Please.
No amount of you saying anything is going to make me care.
Please. I don't got no warrants, I don't got no drugs or nothing.
Don't care.
Man. Please tell me, man. She gotta call my girl.
Do not care.
She gotta call my girl.
Do not care.
Please, can I call my girl?
Please
can I call my girl? Please, can I call my girl? Fucking Lord!
666. Why does his voice get so high pitched every time I leave the
Fuck. Hey, man, please call my girl. I don't got no drugs, no alcohol, no. Please, can I call my girl?
Why are you still talking?
Please, can I call my girl, man? Please, can I call my girl? Please, can I call my girl, man?
I wish I had some duct tape. So you duct tape your mouth, man.
No, please, can I just call my girl? 438 or something. Please, can I call my girl?
97.
I don't got no warrants or nothing, man. Please, can I call my girl?
You're not pissing yourself back there, are you?
Please, can I call my girl, man?
You smell bad.
Man, I'm at another brown house, man. Please call my girl.
Smells like you're pissing yourself back there. Man, I lost the button.
Report.
Good.
Flashlight. You good?
Yeah. Till you at him, and then he tried to, like, he threw in reverse and tried to do circles.
You had to chase him?
Yeah, he was...
1025?
I was trying to catch up to him from the interstate, and I didn't realize he had already taken off from me.
Yeah.
I started going to Mississippi. I was like, yeah, he's obviously running.
What's his deal?
He's crazy, man.
Really?
He's over there screaming like a Tickle Me Elmo. See if I can't find his...
Good job, dude.
See if I can't find his button.
Where'd you lose it at, you think?
Somewhere around here.
Here's the badge for it.
He tried to take off running from here, but he zigged instead of zagging.
I heard you were kind of out of breath. I wondered if you ran after him.
He couldn't figure out how to run.
Good job, dude. Sorry I was so far away.
That's all good.
I was hoping to go a bit longer.
Here's the button. Now just need a... What tire? Here's the car. You hear me? I got a car. I found the button. I just need the little clip thingy. Oh, yeah. Okay. You know what I'm talking about? That little, thingy? Hang on, I need to shut this off and reset it.